How to verify Bitget account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open a Bitget account. Now tap on verify. Now tap on verify. Now select your country. Now fill up all the details and tap on continue. Now select your country, tap on continue. Now upload your documents and selfie and click on continue. Now click your photo, confirm. Now after uploading all the documents, wait for the verification to complete, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.